Hey, and welcome back to the Epicurean and the Herbalist. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to all of us. And we welcome you back. We're going to have a lot of surprises this year coming up, new things that we're doing. The Epicurean and Herbalist. I'm just alone this morning in my kitchen this morning, and we will be featuring more to add to this. But I wanted to share with you one of my recipes for the new year. This is truly a wonderful quiche made with organic free-range eggs, all vegan cheese, tomatoes, arugula. I have garden greens. These are garlic, just like garlic. It's basically garlic tops. And the arugula from our garden, and the rosemary. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to use a little vegan cream cheese in there, and I have a few other vegan cheeses, some smoked mozzarella to go in there, and garlic and tomatoes. This is a beautiful recipe for people that have protein and want protein in their diets and they're not vegan. You can add bacon. You can add shrimp to this as well, mushrooms. The recipe is very interchangeable. It's healthy, it's nutritious, and guess what? It's not just for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. Bringing this back from the Herbal Triage, and I want to tell you, we missed you, and we hope to see you very soon. Have a good one.